And let's build this out. This is Jessica from Design Detailing. So we reach out via Facebook. We need to change the first message for sure. This is Jessica from Design Detailing is probably good. If we can make a stop in the conversation that sounds really, really natural, then it's going to sound extremely real. Let's see if she could nail this. This is Jessica from Design Detailing. I saw that you just reached out via Facebook. What car were you thinking about keeping it clean? Let's try that. Click new conversation and see. That's pretty good, no? She even had in the voice. It's actually pretty crazy how good they are at this point. I really like this. Maybe a bit less M's. I think that's going to make the break shorter. We just want us to be like, this is Jessica from Design Detailing. Let's see if we can make that work. I think this sounds a bit unnatural. Like, what car were you thinking about giving it clean? The client gave me like a question flow that they would like to take us through. Let's see if I can find that. I just grabbed the question flow from the client. Let's paste that under this right here. So we have it. We can go back and grab it all the time. There we go. So the way they start, it's like this, I think. So the first thing they usually ask for is, hey, first name, this is Ethan. You had reached out about getting a car detailed. We are mobile service. We come to your location. Are looking for an interior only or a full detail? I think we should upgrade this to run an actual offer. And I think they're even running a $100 off detail offer on their Facebook ad. Absolutely crazy that they're not mentioning that in the first message. So I think something like, hey, this is Jessica from Design Detailing. I saw that you just signed up is probably a bad way to use. What are they using? They are using reached out. I saw that you just reached out, on Facebook for the $100 off car detail. Maybe car clean is the better word to use there. What questions do they ask then? Are you looking for an interior only or a full detail? That's actually an all right question. You want to have a question that's like the least resistance possible. And this question is like, are you only looking for interior or a full detail? And then they say interior only. You can see they even give the $100 off offer right here, but they don't mention it in the first message. That's insane. I should probably tell them to update that, because they should definitely say in the first message that they're giving $100 off. So let's definitely write that in our voice agent first message. So it says, I saw that you just reached out on Facebook for the $100 off. Let's write this $100. Let's actually write it down in text, because that usually works best for voice agents. $100 off car clean. What car? It's probably a bad question. Are you looking for interior only or full detail? It's probably all right. Let's use that. Are you looking for an interior only or a full car detail? Full detail. Let's try this and see how it sounds. Sounds a little fake. Reached out on, I think we missed an out. Maybe remove the this is, hey, this is Jessica. We can actually give two right here. We can write confidently and then write fast here. Maybe that works. Let's see. Maybe we just stop it here. Like, usually when you call someone, you usually just like say who you are and then you wait for a response. Like, we would probably wait for a response here, wouldn't we? True sec. I think we probably should say via. The only issue, I tried via earlier and it didn't sound so good. I saw that you just reached out via Facebook for the $100 off car clean. Maybe we ask something like, you just reached out on Facebook for the $100, right? We also want to test it multiple times, because if we don't, we might just hit a lucky voice. We want to find something where it can consistently say the first message every single time, because the first message is the most important one when building out this voice agent. Maybe we write like, just calling to give you the $100 off voucher for your first car detail. I think this is really good. I saw you just reached out on Facebook, just calling to give you the $100 off voucher for your first car detail. Let's see if this works well. Maybe we remove this question. When you're building out the messages, you kind of just want to try a bunch of different things until you find something that consistently sounds good. Just calling to give you the $100 off voucher for your first car detail that you signed. Maybe we just use that script low-key. Hey, this is Instagram design detailing. You had reached out about getting your car detailed. Okay, maybe just like you had reached out about the $100 off voucher for your first car detail. Let's do this. This is Jessica from Design Detailing. Just saw on Facebook that he reached out about the $100 off voucher. Hard sentence to say, I think. Let's try it. I think this is it. This sounds really good. And people literally just signed up for this when they received this phone call. People will continue the conversation after this.